Oh, hello, Melanie. Hello, Granty. Hi, Miffy. We're going up the hill to fly our kites. Come with us. Swish, swoosh. I'd love to. Just let me go and get my kites. Hurry, Miffy. I want to go now. Whoosh. Why don't you two go first and I'll catch you up before Granty takes off. Come on, hurry up. See you later, Miffy. See you, Miffy. Bye.
Hello, Miffy. What's the hurry?
Melanie and Granty have gone to fly their kites on the hill. I've got to catch them up.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Aha! Oh, it's stuck.
Don't pull too hard, Miffy. You might break...
Oh, no. I broke it.
I don't think it's completely broken.
Oh, the paper isn't broken, just this one stick. If I can find a new stick, maybe I can mend it. Mummy! Mummy! My kite's broken and I need a stick to mend it.
Well, Miffy, you are in luck. I have some sticks right here.
It's very thin.
Oh, you're right. I don't think this stick will be strong enough for a kite. They're for making these paper flowers, see?
Oh, they're pretty.
They're nearly finished. I just need to wrap a ribbon around them. Which do you think would look best?
This one.
You know, when I was buying these sticks earlier, Poppy Pig was buying some sticks too. Maybe she can help you.
Oh, thanks, Mummy. I'll go and ask her.
Good luck, Miffy. Oh, lovely.
Hi, Poppy.
Hello, Miffy. I'm just making a climbing frame for my runner beans.
Poppy, I need a stick to mend my broken kite. Can I use this one?
Of course.
It's too heavy. The kite won't fly if it's too heavy.
Oh, sorry, Miffy. But I know a bear who's very good at mending things. He might be able to help you.
Oh, yes, of course. Boris! Thanks, Poppy.
Goodbye, Miffy.
Boris, help!
Hi, Miffy.
My kite's broken and I need a stick to mend it.
Be right with you. I'm having a spot of bother.
Let me help.
Brilliant. Thanks, Miffy. Now, a kite stick. Here you go.
Thanks, Boris. Oh, no. It's too short.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miffy, but these are the only sticks I've got.
Nobody has the right sort of sticks. I'll never mend my kite.
Don't worry. Oh, hang on. Don't worry, Miffy. Miffy? Where have you gone? Oh, dear. Now, I wonder...
What's wrong, Miffy?
I couldn't mend my kite.
Oh, that is a shame.
Look, the kites are dancing. They're so much fun to watch.
Yes. What could be more fun than watching kites?
Watching kites with my friends. Melanie, Granty, I'm coming. Miffy, you've been ages. Oh, what happened to your kite, Miffy? I broke it. I've been trying to fix it, but I can't. Here, you can have a go on mine if you want. No, play with mine. No, mine. Here.
Hello again, Miffy.
Oh, look, here's Boris. Hello, Boris.
You were so good at helping me with my lampshade, I made you a little surprise.
What is it?
It's a kite. I made it out of leftover lampshade material.
Oh, thank you, Boris. It's all floppy.
Yes, that's because it's a special kite that doesn't need any sticks.
No sticks? But how will it fly?
You'll see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Ooh, it's flying with no sticks.
Yes, brilliant, isn't it?
Wow, that's brilliant. Look at that. Here.
Oh,
Miffy, can I have a go? No, I want to.
oh.
Boris!
What is it, Miffy? What can you see?
Look, it snowed last night. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I can build a snow bunny and make snowballs. Hooray! Woohoo!
Hold on, Miffy. You'd better put a coat on and wear a scarf. It's very cold outside.
Oh. Tweet, 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 tweet. Are you hungry? I know. I'll get you some breadcrumbs. Hello. There you are. You're welcome. Ooh, Mummy was right. It is cold. I'm glad I have my coat and scarf. But you must be cold too. Maybe I can get a coat for you.
I don't think birds wear coats. Or scarves either.
Maybe you're right. I know. You can come inside to warm up. Come on, this way. Look. This way. Welcome to my house. Oh! Hey, look out. Oh! No, stay still. No, stop. Wait. Come back. Oh, no.
Miffy, what's going on?
Sorry, Mummy. I wanted the bird to be warm because it's so cold outside.
That's very sweet. But birds don't live in houses like ours, so it's scary and confusing for him. Out you go, little bird. Do you understand why I had to let him out again?
Yes, Mummy. I know what I need to do.
What are you doing now, Miffy?
I'm doing what Mummy said.
I don't remember her saying anything about leaves and twigs.
Mummy said birds find houses like ours scary and confusing. I'll make the bird feel at home by turning our house into a nest.
I'm not sure that's what Mummy meant.
Where's the most nesty place to put them? There. Oh, yes. Like that. There.
Oh, Miffy.
Look, Mummy. I'm making the house like a nest, so the bird will feel at home.
Oh, that's not what I meant at all. And now there are leaves and twigs everywhere.
Oh. Sorry, Mummy. Maybe if I can't make our house into a bird's home, maybe I can make a bird's home more like our house.
What are you going to do, Miffy?
You'll see. It's a surprise, but I need Boris to help me.
Hello, Miffy.
Hello, Boris. Can you make something for me?
What do you need? A chair? A table? A wooden thing?
Can you make me a...
That's a brilliant idea. Of course I'll help you.
Yes.
A hammer here, a polished air. You need a building, I'm your bear. I love to make things all day long.
And sometimes Boris gets it wrong.
Making things is so much fun.
Come on, Boris, get it done.
Oh.
Hello, bird. How do you like your new house?
Ah, so that's what Boris built for you.
Now the bird has a house just like mine. He'll be nice and warm and I can see him every day. Hello. Ha. Come on. Oh.
What a colourful bush you found, Miffy.
Yes, the flowers are lovely.
Do they smell as good as they look?
They smell like summer.
Oh my! I didn't know flowers had wings.
Don't be silly. It's not a flower. It's a butterfly.
So it is. How pretty.
Achoo! Oops. Sorry, butterfly. Wait, come back. Butterfly fluttering up in the sky. Butterfly fluttering ever so high. Butterfly fluttering ever so near. Butterfly fluttering. Come back here.
Oh. Oh, yes.
Phew! Oh. I wish I had your energy, Miffy.
Oh, hello, Snuffy. I'm trying to catch this butterfly. Will you help me? We have to fly after it. Flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap.
You're the prettiest butterfly I've ever seen, Miffy.
Flap, flap, flap.
Oh.
Oh. Come down, butterfly. You're too high. Oh. Look, Snuffy. The butterfly found a friend. Oh, sorry. It looks like I found a friend too, Snuffy. Sorry I bumped into you. I was chasing a butterfly. Me too. A yellow one. I was chasing a red one. They're so pretty. I know. They're off again. Quick! Butterflies fluttering up in the sky. Butterflies fluttering ever so high. Butterflies fluttering yellow and red. Butterflies fluttering over my head. Come on. Butterfly fluttering round the sun. Butterflies fluttering, chasing is fun. Butterflies fluttering, fluttering free. Butterflies flutter for Miffy and me. Hold on, Melanie. Let's sneak up. Good idea, Miffy. Oh, Snuffy. Quick, there they go. Wait for us, butterflies. I think Daddy needed a rest. So did the butterflies. Look.
Oh, what's that? Achoo!
Oh. Daddy, I nearly caught my butterfly, and now you've scared it off forever.
Oh, I wondered what that was on my nose.
We've been chasing those butterflies for ages.
Oh, I'm sorry, girls, but you shouldn't really try to catch them. They're very delicate, you know.
Oh, but they're such fun to chase.
Oh, I never said you shouldn't chase them. Just don't catch them. You wouldn't want to hurt them, would you?
No. But I can't chase my butterfly now anyway. It's gone.
Well, where did you see it first, Miffy?
Over there.
Well, maybe it's gone back there.
Oh, yes. Good idea. Come on. It was on the bush with the pretty flowers.
Butterflies do like flowers.
You can't make any noise if you want to get close to butterflies. Where exactly did you see it? I was smelling a flower like this. I thought you said we had to be very quiet. Sometimes being very noisy can work too.
Aren't they beautiful?
Like flying flowers. Oh, yes.
Yes, just like flying flowers.
Aren't they pretty?
Miffy? What are you up to?
Looking for fairies. Snuffy's helping. Ooh,
It looks more like Snuffy wants to play fetch.
look, it's a magic wand.
A magic wand? Are you sure?
A fairy must have dropped it. Clever, Snuffy. Watch me do magic. It must be broken.
Maybe you have to say some magic words.
You're right. I wish I was a fairy. Oh, what a thing to be. I waved my wand like magic. Oh, what a thing to see. Wow! I did magic. I made a bird happen.
Maybe it is magic after all.
I can do fairy magic. I can't wait to show my friends. Oh, I wish I had longer arms. Look, I found a magic fairy wand. A real magic fairy wand. Wow. Just looks like a stick to me. It's not. It's a magic fairy wand. What? I'll turn those yellow pears into red apples. They still look like yellow pears to me. It's broken! broken. I can't be a fairy if my wand won't work. It's a shame Miffy's wand is broken. She looks very upset. I don't think it is a magic wand, Grunty. I think it's just a stick. But I know how to cheer her up. These are red, but they're not apples. These are apples, but they're not red. Oh, it's hard to concentrate when you're hungry. They're red and they're apples. Miffy? You were right, Melanie. It's not a wand, it's just a stick. I think you should try again. But this time, say some magic words. You're right. I didn't say any magic words. No wonder it didn't work. Yes! Ooh. I wish I was a fairy. Oh, what a thing to be. I'd wave my wand like magic. Oh, what a thing to see. I did it! I'm a real fairy! Well done, Miffy. I'm going to show Mummy I can do magic. I'll turn our whole house into a big castle. Uh-oh. Now she wants to turn her house into a castle. How is she going to do that? She won't, unless we help her again. Come on. Miffy the fairy will now turn this house into a big castle. I wish I was a fairy. I want a thing to be. I'd wave my wand like magic. I want a thing to see. Look! I told you! It was all pretend, wasn't it? My magic fairy wand isn't magic at all. I'm sorry, Miffy. We were just trying to cheer you up. You looked so sad when your wand didn't work. You did this just to cheer me up? I've got the best friends ever. Look, I think Snuffy wants to play fetch.
Miffy, are you sad that your stick wasn't a magic wand?
No. You can have fun with sticks, even if they aren't magic, as long as you've got magic friends to help. Snuffy!
Hello, Miffy. Are you playing catch today?
Nope. Guess again. I'll give you a clue.
Are you playing balance the ball? Keepy uppy?
No. Do you want another clue? Melanie's going to play it with me.
I know. It's tennis.
Yes. I'm playing tennis with Melanie. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Melanie. Ready to play? Yes! Hi, Snuffy. Have you come to watch us play tennis? Oh, oh, oh. This is fun. No, Snuffy. We need that ball. No, Snuffy! That's not how you play tennis. Come back. Stop, Snuffy. Stop it, Snuffy. Drop it. Thank you. I know, Melanie. Let's hit 5 in a row. You start and I'll count. 1. 2. Look, Snuffy can't reach the ball. 3. Keep hitting it high, Melanie. Good idea, Miffy. 4. Oops. Uh-oh. Look up high and look down low. Where did our tennis ball go? I'll look here and you look there. Our tennis ball could be anywhere. I'm sure I'm going to find it. I think I'll find it first. What? Well, our ball's not here, and neither's Snuffy. Where is she? She ran off over there. Come on, she might have found our ball. Look, there's our tennis ball in that bush. Oh, it's not our ball. It's just a flower. Look, in that tree. Oh, it's not our ball. It's just a pear. We can't play tennis with a flower or a pear. Snuffy, there you are. We need our ball back. No, Snuffy. Let go. Oh, tennis is not a game for dogs. You spoiled our game.
You're looking glum, Miffy. What's wrong?
Melanie's not looking for the ball and Snuffy's not looking for the ball. I'll have to find it by myself.
Are you sure Snuffy wasn't trying to help? What does Snuffy like doing best?
Chasing balls. She chased our ball everywhere.
So what is Snuffy best at?
Oh! Fetching balls! Snuffy, do you know where our ball is? You do? Melanie! Snuffy knows where our ball is! Snuffy's just spoiling our game. She made us lose our ball. But Snuffy's very good at finding balls too. Go on, Snuffy, fetch. So where is our ball? Snuffy hasn't found it. I can't see it anywhere. Snuffy's trying to tell us it's here somewhere. I'm sure of it. Here it is. There. You did know where it was, Snuffy. Well done. Good, Snuffy. Come on, Snuffy. Come and play tennis with us. But, Miffy, dogs can't play tennis. Dogs can play tennis if they play it my way. Oops. No, Snuffy! You're ruining the game again. Wait and see. Oh, Snuffy's helping. Thank you, Snuffy. Good girl, Snuffy.
Hello, Miffy.
Hello.
It looks like you're in a hurry to get home.
I I am. It was the last day of school today, and Daddy says he has a treat for me and my friends.
What is it?
I don't know. That's why I'm in a hurry. Wow! A bouncy castle? What a lovely surprise! Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome, Miffy. Oh, I can't wait to get on and show you how it works. Oh, right, yes. I'll let you have a go first, then.
It's hard to walk on it. So springy. But it doesn't hurt if you fall over. Ooh. Oh, you just boing back up again. Woo! Woohoo!
Oh, that's it, Miffy. Up, down, up,
Boing.
down.
This is great! Boing, 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 jumping really high. Boing, 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 reach it to the sky.
Phew. Oh, I bet you're thirsty after all that busy boinging. Hey, come and get a drink.
Oh, good idea.
Oh, yes, it is a boingy one, isn't it? Huh? I might just have a quick...
Wow! Hi, Melanie. Hi, ready for a bounce? Yeah. Come on, Melanie.
Ah,
Whoop, whoop,
all right.
boing, boing.
Maybe I'll have a go in a minute.
I know. Let's jump together. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, that looks great fun.
What's this, Daddy? 1, 2, 3, and turn. Woohoo! Woo! 1, 2, 3, and bottom bounce. Woo!
Oh, I've just had a great idea. Why don't we try it with 3 bouncing? Hmm?
Oh, that is a good idea.
Yes!
Make room for Grunty! Hooray! Oh, drinks for later. And why have you got a first aid box?
Oh, well, just in case anyone takes a tumble.
Oh. Don't worry, Grunty. It doesn't hurt, even if you do fall over. Here I come! Yeah! Come on, Grunty! Come on! Boing! Boing, 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 jumping really high. Boing, 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 reach it to the sky. Boing, 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 jumping really high. Boing, 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 reach it to the sky. Boing, 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 jumping really high. Boing, 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 reach it to the sky. Boing, 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 jumping really high. Boing, 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 reach it to the sky.
Phew, that looks like thirsty work. Why don't you come on down and get a lovely cold drink?
No thanks, Daddy. We're having too much fun to stop. Yes, too much fun.
Are you sure? Because this lemonade is so cool and refreshing.
Maybe just a quick one. Go on, then. And me. Ha.
Well, it's a shame to see the castle going to waste. Oh, boing, boing, boing! Boing, boing, boing! Oh! Oh, no.
Oh, no!
I've put a hole in it.
Are you okay? Do you need a plaster?
I'm all right, Grunty. Thank you.
Oh, wait a minute. A plaster might be useful after all. Really? All we have to do now is find a hole. Here it is. And here's the plaster. Here's the pump.
And here's the pump power.
Yay! Hooray!
Nearly there. Oh.
Yay! Yes! Thanks, Daddy. It's as good as new. Hey! You can have the first bounce if you like. Maybe we'll just let him have a little rest.
Hello, Miffy. What are you looking for?
I'm not looking. I'm listening.
Huh? What's that funny noise?
Here he is! It's Uncle Pilot.
Hello, Miffy.
Hello, Uncle Pilot.
I've bought you a surprise.
I love surprises.
It's inside this box. Help me carry it to your house.
Okay. Oh. What is my surprise, Uncle Pilot?
I'll give you a clue. It's something to do with dragons.
Dragons?
Hello. I thought I heard your plane. How about a nice cup of tea? Oh, lovely.
What do you think is in the box, Miffy?
Uncle Pilot said that it was something to do with dragons.
You'd better be careful then.
Oh! Hi, Melanie. Hello, Miffy. Where's Uncle Pilot? Ooh, what's that? It's a surprise from Uncle Pilot. It's something to do with dragons. Dragons? Dragons aren't real, are they? Uncle Pilot said so. Ooh. I've never seen anything like it. What could it be? It's wrapped in straw, so it must be very precious. It's a funny shape, like a prickly egg. That's what it is, a dragon egg. You might be right, Miffy. Oh, if we can hatch it, we could see a real live dragon. Wow, dragons are big. I know, let's take it outside where there's more space. Oh, careful, Melanie. Oh, I know. Let's make a nest to keep the dragon's egg safe. Oh, these are nice. These look good. Got one. Snap! It's all prickly. Ooh, careful, Miffy. Oh. Phew. How can we make it hatch? We could sing it a song so it knows we're waiting. Okay. Wake up, dragon, wake up and play. I really want to see a dragon today. Wake up, dragon, come and say hi. I really want to see a dragon fly. Wake up, dragon, we made you a nest. I really want to see a dragon the best. Oh, it didn't work. I know. When birds want eggs to hatch, they sit on them. Ow! It's too prickly to sit on. We'll just have to wait for it to hatch on its own. What is that delicious smell? Hello, Grunty. Ow! That prickled my nose. Careful, Grunty. That's our egg. An egg? I knew I could smell something delicious. Yum, yum, yum. We're It's a special dragon egg. A dragon egg? Mm-hmm. Dragons with big teeth and fire and... Run! Hide!
Whoa there, Grunty. What's the rush?
They've got a dragon egg. It can hatch any second.
A dragon egg? Does this have anything to do with you, by any chance? Ah, well, I might have said something.
Hello, Uncle Pilot. We found your dragon egg. Yes, we're waiting for it to hatch.
Then you'll be waiting a very long time. This isn't a dragon egg, Miffy.
But you said my surprise was something to do with dragons.
It is. This is a dragon fruit. The most delicious fruit there is.
Oh.
Come on, I'll show you.
Whoa. Wow. You're right, Uncle Pilot. This is delicious. Next time you come, will you bring me another dragon egg? I mean fruit.
No,
Huh?
I always bring you a surprise. Now you know what a dragon fruit is. It wouldn't be a surprise, would it?
No, you're right.
Don't worry. I'll bring something just as special instead. Bye!
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 Hi, Miffy. Where are you going? Hi, Granty. I'm off to the library. Oh, can I come? I'm hungry. Granty, there's no food at the library. No, but I can get a book about making cakes. Yummy. Come on, then. Hello, Aunt Alice. What are you doing in the library?
Hello, dear. I'm helping out today. I'm being a librarian.
Oh. I'm here to return my book.
Thank you.
Oh, hello, girls.
Hello, Boris.
I'll have these, please, Alice.
Yes, of course.
Ooh. Can I be a librarian too? And me.
Of course. Always happy to have some help.
My turn.
Well and truly stamped. Thanks very much. Bye.
Bye, Boris. Ooh. Is one of these books about cake?
Oh, no, Grunty. But I'm sure I can find you one.
Yes.
And what are you looking for, Miffy?
A book about tennis, please.
Well, I need to take these back to the children's shelves. Come with me and we can find your books at the same time.
Yay!
Hello, Alice. Hello, girls.
Hello, Miss.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'd better go and stamp your teacher's books.
Why don't we take these books back for you, Aunt Alice?
Oh, that would be very helpful.
Okay. Oh, but where did they go?
Oh, it's simple. The covers will show you where to put them. What a lot of books you have. I never have time to read myself.
Right. Aunt Alice said the covers would show us where to put them. This one's about looking at the stars. That means it goes up high, like the stars. There. Here you go. There. Now let's do another. This one's about flowers. Look. Oh. The flower book must go next to that flower. Yes. Or next to that one. Oh. I know. next to both flowers, so it must be right. What's the next book, Grunty? It's about swimming. But there's no swimming pool in the library. No, but there is water. Grunty, wait! We can't put the book in the fish tank. Your aunt said the cover would tell us where to put it. That's true. And the cover is about swimming.
Oh, wait! You can't put a book in there.
But you said the cover would tell us where to put it. It's about swimming, so it goes in the water.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry, girls. I should have explained better. I meant the colour of the cover would tell you where to put it.
Oh!
You see, books with the same coloured spines are about the same sort of things, so they belong on the same shelves.
So this red book goes with the other red books.
That's right. All the red books are about sport.
OK, then let's put all the books back in the right places. Ooh, you missed one. Wait for me. Putting books on the shelf. Helping, we love to help. These ones are green.
These ones are red.
Not in a fish tank or they'll get wet. Putting books on the shelf. Helping, we love to help.
Lovely. Everything back where it belongs. Thank you, girls.
Oh, Aunt Alice! Now I know where to find my book about tennis. Here it is on the red shelf, with the books about sport. And Grunty's cake book is down here, with the other books about hobbies.
Well done. Let's take them to the desk and I'll stamp them for you.
I don't know where this book goes. The cover's white, but none of the other books are white.
No, it doesn't go on any of the shelves, Grunty. In fact, it's not even a book.
No. What is it then?
Well, it's something I was saving for when my work was done. And thanks to you girls, that's right now. Look!
It's a box of chocolates! Hooray!
Here you are.
Oh, yum. Thanks, Aunt Alice. It's fun being Librarians. Yes, those.
Hello, Miffy. Where are you off to?
Grunty's house. I'm going camping in her garden. I can't wait.
Oh, how exciting.
Melanie and Grunty will be there too.
So will you be camping outside all night long?
Oh, I hadn't thought of that. Will it be really dark?
Well, yes. That's what happens at night. But you won't be on your own.
You're right. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun. Bye! Hi, Poppy. Wow, is that the tent?
Hello, Miffy. Yes, it'll be lovely and cosy for you and your friends.
Hello, Grunty. Hello, Melanie. Hi, Miffy. We're getting ready for our camping adventure. Yes! It's going to be so much fun. But do we have to camp outside all night? There's nothing to be scared of. It's easy, Miffy. I've camped outside loads of times. OK, if you say so.
You'll be fine, Miffy. Melanie and Grunty will be right here with you, and I'll be just inside the house.
We're going to sing songs and play games and even have a midnight feast. A midnight feast? Yes. Look. Oh, yummy. Oh, Snuffy, that's for our midnight feast.
I think Snuffy wants to go camping too.
Snuffy, that's my apple. Come back. Drop it. Snuffy.
I think Snuffy should keep that apple now she's licked it.
Oh, Snuffy. I can't wait to have our midnight feast. We should at least wait until it's dark. Oh, I suppose so.
Besides, we can't have a camping adventure without a camping song, can we? Come on, I'll teach you. We're camping in the garden all night long. We're camping in the garden, and this is our camping song. We're camping in the garden all night long. We're camping in the garden, and this is our camping song.
Yay! Camping is fun. You're it. Got you. You're
Right, girls, bedtime.
Here I come. Can't you stay with us a little bit longer, Poppy?
Oh, there isn't room in the tent for me, but this should help you get settled.
Ooh. Ooh, how pretty.
There, it'll shine on you all night long. Now, into the tent, and I'll see you in the morning.
Night, Poppy. Night-night, Poppy. Night-night, Poppy.
Sleep tight. Night-night, girls.
Time for our midnight thing! Hooray! Nom, nom, nom. Wake up, Grunty. I heard something. What is it? Did you hear that? It's just an owl. Nothing to be scared of. Go back to sleep. Did you hear that? What is it? I don't know. Oh dear. It's a monster. That's not a monster. It's Snuffy. Hello, Snuffy. It's Snuffy. She came camping after all. Snuffy, that tickles. Whoa. Snuffy.
Girls, are you all right? What's going on?
We were fast asleep and then we heard noises. We thought it was a monster. But Miffy knew it was Snuffy. And then...
My, you really have had a camping adventure, haven't you?
We were having so much fun, but now the tent's broken. I suppose it's all over.
Oh, I don't think so. Not yet. I've got a brilliant idea. Here you are. Some chocolate milk.
Thanks, Poppy. Thank you. Thanks, Poppy. We don't want Snuffy knocking down our new tent.
She's fast asleep. Just like you three should be. Good night, girls.
Night-night. Night-night. I can't wait to go camping outside again. Can we do it tomorrow night, Grunty? Grunty? Melanie? Night-night, sleepyheads.